How to fix problems with WhatsApp voice or video calls. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Genie Guide. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix problems with WhatsApp voice or video calls, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've been having issues with WhatsApp voice and video calls, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. And the very first reason why this happens is due to lack of camera and microphone access. So to fix this, first of all, long press the WhatsApp app icon, then tap the I button to come to the app information page. Before you try to enable any permissions, I want you to go to storage options. When you go to storage options, you'll find this option called clear cache. So you want to make sure to just tap the clear cache option. Do not tap on clear data if you have not backed up your chats. Now after you've done that, you want to simply go to the permissions tab here. Then first of all, go to camera for video calls and make sure the camera access is allowed. Then once you've done that, go to microphone access over here and make sure microphone is also allowed, because if WhatsApp is not able to use your microphone or your camera, they will not be able to place voice or video calls. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.